Welcome back mga kapuso. Nagtanaw gyapon kamo sa GMA Regional TV Live. O karong buntaga, atong awhago ng mga bata sa pagbasa og mga libro. Pinaagi sa atong pakiginabi sa usa ka Cebuano writer.
Girl with a Broken String, kini ang pinalahi nga libro nga gisuwat sa usa ka Sugbuanang writer nga si Therese Villarante nga samtang ikaw nagbasa, duyogan ka sa mga awit nga siya ora usab, mismo ang misuwat og mikanta. Mas mahimong mabulukon ug mabati ang istorya sa imong pagbasa gumikan sa mga makatandog kasing-kasing nga mga lirik sa maong kanta. Og karong buntaga, kumustahon ta usab ang kamahinungdanon sa reading comprehension ilabi na sa mga kabatanunan dinhi sa Visayas.
Mayong buntag, Therese, ug welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Kindly greet all our kapuso with a short song.
Hi! How to begin a story without a prince is in the belly of a dragon. I've been waiting here ever since. Good morning sa tanan.
Good morning. Such a lovely voice, Therese. Thank you so much for that greetings. And of course, aside sa imuhang talento sa singing, you're also into writing stories, Therese. Kano sa ka nagsugod ni ini? Sa mga influences nimo?
When it comes to influences, actually, it's really everywhere. So we're inspired by the world around us, the people we connect with. Pero nakahinumdum ko nga, nagsugod sa jud ni kay gibasahan ko sa ako ang mama o sa akong papa, katong bata pa ko. They read me so many stories. Unya, I just remember being so moved by them.
And speaking of stories, Therese, aduna kay pinalahi nga libro. Can you share this to us, kining unique nga reading experience?
Yes, so we recently published Girl with a Broken String. So, mao ni siya ang libro. It's a multimedia novel. So, kaning nga story, it's about Sam. She is a young singer-songwriter going through her first heartbreak. Unya, we also tackle themes about anxiety, community, the grace of creativity. Collaboration ni nako siya with Jude Gitamondoc as the composer, M. Sonoria as the illustrator, Ivy Galior, Daryl Young as the singers, and D. Anthony Pada as the animator. So, daghan kong collaborators tungod kay it's a multimedia novel. So, not only does it have prose, but it also has illustration, but it also has original songs. Wow. So, pwede na i-scan ang QR code and you will immediately be redirected to the YouTube lyric video of the song. So, mao na siya ang amuang libro.
Wow, very impressive kayo ni nga collaboration. Busa, Therese, asa kami kuha og inspirasyon about the story ug kinsa usab ang nagtabang kanimo kabahin sa storyline niini?
When it came to inspiration, I just really combined two of the things that I love the most, which is storytelling and at the same time lyric writing. So ang pagsuwat og kanta ug ang pagsuwat og prose. So I combined the two, and also I was very much inspired because I worked with people nga I really respected. So I worked with Jude, I worked with M, Pada, Ivy, Daryl. So kana siya, the writing in itself, the creating in itself was already very inspiring for me.
I'm sure daghan kag paborito nga mga linya, pero can you share your most favorite line sa libro?
I think sa kanta nga Feel, there's a line there nga, believe me, the only way to heal is let yourself feel. So we have to feel to heal.
Nice one. I'm excited to read this as well, Therese. Busa, nagstorya naman kita about reading, Therese. For you, why do we still need to enhance or help our children to read?
Because it's basically forever. Tungod kay every time we read a book, every time we fall in love with a story, mas mudako ang ato ang kalibutan, mas mudako ato ang paghuna-huna, ang ato ang kasing-kasing. When I fell in love with reading, I also fell in love with a life in awe. Nga ma-amaze ka ba? Also, makita nimo ang posibilidad sa imuhang kaugalingon. And you also really learn the most important things in life, which is loving and being loved. So mauna daghan kaayo tag makuha sa atong pagbasa og libro.
Thank you kayo, Therese, for sharing your love of reading. Kanamong tanan, busa sa mga buot mo palit o maminaw sa imong libro. Asa sila pwedeng mo contact? Asa sila pwedeng mo add to, Therese?
Okay, they can actually go to Girl with a Broken String Facebook Messenger. So that's m.me/Girl with a Broken String and just type order book. Yeah, ako mismo ang makichat ninyo. So thank you kaayo sa pagsuporta, and please follow us also on our social media pages. Just look for Girl with a Broken String.
Congratulations on this very beautiful book, Therese. Daghang salamat usab sa panahon nga gigahin nimo karong buntaga.
Thank you kaayo, Ms. Cecil. Thank you kaayo ninyo tanan.
Thank you so much, Therese, and congrats!